Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. On the occasion of our country's 51st National Day, I would like to elevate my highest greetings to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of UAE and the ruler of Abu Dhabi, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE and the ruler of Dubai, and to Their Highnesses, the Supreme Council members, ruler of the Emirates. May God Almighty bless our nation with prosperity, security, and progress. This YouTube channel, Stranger Space Technology, will focus on UAM and eVTOL and its supporting components. Having said that, let's take off with our first episode. Support this channel by like and subscribe. Okay, let's start with some terminology related to the industry. UAM stands for Urban Air Mobility as a solution for the traffic jam. eVTOL stands for Electrical Vertical Takeoff and Landing. Why it is electrical? Basically, as you know now, everybody's concerned about the environment. That's why the manufacturer of this AAV look into the electrical drive than the normal conventional gas drive. As this is our first episode, I just wanted to make it short, direct to the point. We came to the end of this episode. Ma'a salama and let's land.